सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। जेकर महाराजा रणजीत सिंह के राजकाल की गल करिए तो उस समय उर्दू और फारसी भाषा नूं अहम स्थान प्राप्त सी। दफ्तरी कामकाज भी उर्दू या फारसी भाषा दे विच ही कीता जांदा सी। समा बदलदा गया, पंजाबी भाषा का आगाज़ होया। पंजाबी जो कि गुरुद्वारियां तक सीमित सी, वो स्कूलों विच आई। पंजाब दे विच वख-वख थावां ते पंजाबी स्कूल शुरू होए, पर अज समय की नज़ाकत नूं पछाणदियां होइयां अंग्रेज़ी भाषा का ज्ञान होना जरूरी है, तां ही असी अंतरराष्ट्रीय पद्धर ते तरक्की हासिल कर सकते हाँ जेकर सानू अंग्रेज़ी भाषा का ज्ञान होवेगा। About the English, today we are showing you famous institute of our area, that's Jatindra Greenfield School.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभउ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद। जप पाठ सच जुगाड़ सच, हैप्पी सच नानक होसी पी सच। Have you seen green tree, green the air, cool the breeze, smoke candles and cup its smell, and the tea water make us sail. So let's just promise to me, keep our surrounding fresh and green, fresh and green.
The wheels of the wind
चल 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 चल।
round and round, round and round, round and round, round.
हले तां शुरुआतां मित्रा रब दे बख्शे ताज दियां, बड़ियां लंबियां रावां ने सतिंदर तो सरताज दियां जी। सदा सफर विच रहना, सदा सफर विच चलदे रहना, यही किस्मत राही दी। दुश्मन भी होवे भावें दस्तार कदे नी लाही दी, खुद जाइए सत्कार तां सब दी इज्जत करनी चाहिदी। दुश्मन भी होवे भावें दस्तार कदे नी लाही दी, ये खुद चाहिए सत्कार।
This is our kindergarten, and here everything are according to their level. Like we have proper sitting arrangement for them.
Father to son, I do not understand this child. Though we have lived together now in the same house for years, I know nothing of him since I built. Our relationship from how he was once small
Like in our schools, we have a project day at the last day of every month, and students prepare different models on various subjects like English, Punjabi, and SST also.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself, Third Officer Pallavi Sharma. I am working here from last 5 years, and myself, I have done my PRCN course. Myself is NCC officer appointed here in this school, and I have recently, last year I have completed my PRCN course, that is of 3 months, and I have won various titles over there at national level. That is, first is in shooting, I got first prize, and I have also participated in various cultural activities over there. Over there in OTA Gwalior, I have also done various activities, like they have given us various tasks to do, as we are prepared to prepare again our students and our cadets for the future and to join armed forces and to build their future in the various areas of this nation. As I was also an NCC cadet, and I have done NCC throughout my college time, and in 3 graduation year I have done RDC, that is Republic Day camp. I have attended that camp, and I was making to my cadets to be prepared for the same. And as I told you that one of our ex-cadet, that is Cadet Inderjot Singh, he had attended RDC up to that level in Delhi, and I also had presented my college and my unit up to various titles and various levels. Like I have participated in best cadet competition also. There I have got scholarship also. NCC used to conduct various activities like all the adventurous activities and the expedition like river rafting and others. And recently our cadets from our school, 5 cadets of them, they have participated in trekking competition, trekking expedition, that was in Shimla, and they have gone to the various locations over there as doing trekking over there throughout all the mountains. And there we, all the officers, we have got opportunity to do paragliding, and we have done paragliding from 3rd highest mountain, that is called Beeling. From there we have done paragliding also, as these adventurous activities make all the cadets and us like to be rough and tough throughout our life and throughout our daily routine. As in NCC, our school's cadets have participated in various camps like in ATC, annual training camp, CATC, combined annual training camp, and various expeditions like adventurous activities also. Recently, our 5 of our cadets, they have gone for trekking camp, and that was in Shimla. They have done all the trekking over there throughout all the mountains. They had gone to various locations also, and they have achieved their aim over there, that was to make all the cadets to be rough and tough for their daily schedule and for their daily time being. As to build up their confidence level, our school have also organized various competitions like best cadet competition and others. Our cadet Irandeep Kaur, she had participated in that same competition, and she was adjudged best cadet of our school. Now it's time to speak out about the achievements of our school. Our school cadets have participated in various activities. There they have performed very well and won so many titles. As cadet Jasmine Kaur, she had participated in pre-RDC, till pre-RDC competition, that was Republic Day, pre-Republic Day camp. Our cadet Corporal Irandeep Kaur, she was adjudged best cadet of our school.